All right, it is 9:50 and I am with my friend Cheré. We have driven from her home in Cumberland and I think we're at a Tatum campground. We are starting on the C&O Towpath further down because it's very rough and muddy, taking it from where she lives. And today we're going to be riding to Brunswick. Got a couple decisions to make. There's a campground there I can stay at, or I can ride back with her and maybe stay at this one. So, Antietam. Yeah, pretty cool, right? Very historic. All right. Yeah. All right, Cheré, let's go. Yeah. Come on, Myrtle. Let's go. So we are starting at lock 38. Mile 72. So this C&O Towpath starts very near to Washington, D.C. Maybe it starts in Georgetown at mile 0 and goes up to Cumberland, Maryland. So today I think we're going to be in Maryland the whole time. And it is actually paved right now. Most of this trail is unpaved, but it should be right along the C&O Canal, Chesapeake and Ohio. Got Cheré back here. Oh, it's just so beautiful on this trail, the C&O Towpath. Hoping I can get a clear view of the canal. The water is so still and it's very reflective. There's hardly anybody out here. The trail is very hard packed, limestone surface, and it's so hard packed that it actually feels like it's paved. Got a lovely view here of the Potomac. Historic Potomac. And here we've got some big rapids. All these trees are in the water. Fast moving water. Look at this old building off to the left. Hey guys.
Hello.
Doesn't have a roof on it anymore. Well, lots of people biking here. Oh, it's the Appalachian Trail. Oh, isn't that something? Right here. My goodness. Yep, leaving beans in the belfry. And a very nice lunch here. Old church, all the stained glass windows. And here's Cheré, my friend. Snake on the trail. Big old black snake. Well, he's just out here sunning himself.
He's a good one.
Yeah, he's beefy.
May have had breakfast.
He looks like he might have had some breakfast.
Beans in the belfry.
Maybe some beans in the belfry. Oh, cute. Bye, Snakey.
3.
there is a guy riding a penny farthing in front of me. You know those big wheels? Hi there, on your left. Oh my God, you are so awesome. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Just stopped on in Frederick.
Oh my gosh, isn't that something? That's amazing. Tricycle and a penny farthing riding together on the C&O trail. That's amazing. All right, so I've made it to Brunswick, Maryland on the C&O trail. I have been hosted by Cheré and Dangerous Dawn for a few days. So comfortable, so nice to be with friends, and they own hair salons. So I was able to get my hair cut and colored. I had a pedicure. Oh, so fantastic. Cheré and I did some really nice riding, including today's ride. She drove from Cumberland to Sharpsburg to avoid the worst part of the C&O, which is very muddy and bumpy and lots of tree roots and just not all that great a ride, especially on the trike. And she wanted to ride with me. So we rode from Sharpsburg to Brunswick, and I checked out this campground where I am, and then remembered that there were some primitive campsites along the way. And so I rode back with her to Antietam where she parked, and then saw the weather report, which says, oh my gosh, it's going to be raining a lot tonight and tomorrow. And so I decided to go back to Brunswick, back to the campground that has shelters, and then I won't have to be tent camping in the rain. So yeah, just a really fantastic. I think I ended up doing 56 miles, maybe 300 feet of climbing. It really is a pretty flat route, just beautiful right here along the Potomac River. So, all right, you guys, thank you so much for following along, and welcome to Brunswick, Maryland.